Can we ready? An extremely unfortunate incident has happened on 9th of August 2024 at RG Medical College. The state government has always condemned this incident in the strongest word, and we have always remained fully committed for its proper investigation. After the order of Honorable High Court Calcutta on 13/8/2024, entire investigation has been transferred to CBI. Honorable Supreme Court has also taken suo motu cognizance of this gruesome incident, and 2 hearings in the matter have already taken place on 20th August and 22nd August, that is yesterday. The state government has already filed in its status report as per the direction of Honorable Supreme Court. As per the order of Honorable Supreme Court on 20th August 2024, CISF has already taken over the security of RG Medical College. The state government has provided all coordination help to them. The state government is fully committed for ensuring safer working conditions of our resident doctors, and accordingly, a new consolidated guidelines, all of you know, in the name of Ratri Sati, Helpers of the Night, has been issued by the state government on 19th August 2024. For ensuring safer working conditions, we have done an intensive survey of medical colleges, hostels, college campuses, and we are already increasing CCTV, resident doctors' room, separate toilets, illumination in the campus, etc. Principals and MSVPs are in touch with the local resident doctors. As we are also deploying additional security guards, including female security guards in our hospitals and doctors. A meeting with representative doctors has been held at Swasth Bhavan on 21st August 2024, and as per their demands, both new principal and new MSVPs of RG have been changed. HOD chest medicine and assistant super have also been transferred. As per the order of Honorable High Court Calcutta, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is already on extraordinary leave. His order for National Medical College has also been cancelled. There are some media reports that he has been posted as OSD Swasth Bhavan. Let me clarify emphatically that there is no such order that he has been posted as OSD at Swasth Bhavan. Let me clarify again and again. New principal and MSVP of RG Hospital have also taken over charge on 22nd August 2024, and they are working. Yesterday morning only both of them have taken over the charge. In order to look into the alleged financial irregularities at RG Hospital, a special investigation team has been formed on 16th August 2024, and the SIT has already started their investigation. Our resident doctors are backbone of our health services in the medical colleges, and their absence has seriously affected patient services in different tertiary and secondary care hospitals across the state. All of us must appreciate that cancer, specialized care like cancer care, cardiology, neurological care are only available in the medical colleges, and in the absence of the regular resident doctors, these services are badly getting affected, and the poor patients are also getting affected. Currently, senior doctors are providing round-the-clock services in the government hospitals. It must be appreciated that the poor patients who are dependent on government hospitals are especially affected. Honorable Supreme Court has also requested doctors to join the normal duties. It is also learned that the resident doctors have joined the normal duties in other states, including AIIMS Delhi, in our state in AIIMS Kalyani also. We once again appeal to our resident doctors that they must return to their services. The government upholds the dignity of our medical professionals in the highest order. We request that the normalcy in the patient services must be restored immediately in interest of large population which is suffering due to the protracted agitation. Thank you.